Let me see. I don't know whose that is. That one's for Auntie Sylvia.
Dylan.
That's to Dad. You have to give it to Dad.
Is that for me?
Dylan.
Dylan.
No. That's for Dad to open. Come here, I'll give you one. Come here. Come here, Dylan. Here. You can open this one. There you go.
Open. Mommy, open.
Pull it.
What's in it?
What is it?
Daddy.
What is it? All right, good job, Sean.
What is it? Show me.
Open it up.
Let me see.
What is it? Turn it around. What is it?
Whoa, are those airplanes?